Hey everybody, it's Dr. Sam Robbins. Today I'm going to discuss how you can quickly boost your immune system year-round and hopefully not get sick. Now, I don't know about you, but I hate being sick, and from the sound of my voice, you can probably tell I have a bit of a cold, and it's the first cold I've had in a few years. Now, obviously, nobody wants to have some disease or cancer or some major illness, but just getting the flu or even the quote-unquote common cold really sucks, right? And you basically feel like junk, right? You have no energy, things hurt throughout your body, you can't sleep well, and you can't really do much of anything. And if you have to work or deal with kids or other major responsibilities, it's so much harder to get through the day, and it slows down the whole healing process. So today I'm going to give you some simple and proven solutions that you can implement right now to help boost your immune system, to help you avoid getting sick or ill. Because the bottom line is that almost any illness or sickness is a weakened immune system or one that isn't functioning properly. And I'm not going to get into all the hardcore stuff such as injectable or IV vitamins and blood cleansing or stem cells and other things that most of us can't do or don't want to do. All right, so let's get started. Now, the very first thing to improving your health and the immune system is we first need to reduce and stop any leaks you have in your life. Just like growing a business, we have to periodically audit the business and see what leaks there are, unnecessary expenses, and so forth. And this has to be done before you add anything to your life, all right? So the first thing you want to do is reduce stress. All right. Now, stress just drains your immune system more than anything. It kills your nervous system. It kills your good hormones and also increases the negative stress hormones. And if work sucks, or if you have money problems, if your significant other is a pain in the butt, if your kids are a handful and so forth, some of that can't be changed, at least not right away. However, you can get rid of your quote unquote loser friends that drain you. You can stop consuming negative information, whether it's TV, the internet, news, and so forth, which creates negative feelings and thoughts and thus bad hormones. Instead, consume information that's happy, that's funny, that makes you laugh, and you walk away feeling good, having good feelings. Trust me, whatever is happening in some other country is not going to make any difference in your life right now. You certainly wouldn't want your kids to consume negative information, so why do you? Besides, most of it is misinformation anyway. At least reduce all that stuff. The other thing is you need to replenish your system by sleeping better or maybe more. Maybe just take a 15-minute break during the day and close your eyes, or meditate, or just take a power nap. You'll feel better and you'll be a lot more productive. Now, number 2, you want to eat natural foods, all right? No vitamin or shot is going to boost your immune system if you're constantly killing it by eating just, crappy processed foods. So I'll make this very simple. Limit, reduce, and try to eliminate things that come in a box and are man-made, and eat more natural foods. This also means liquids, all right? Stop with the junk, the caffeine, the energy drinks, the soda, and all that, and drink a lot more purified water to help detox your system. You know the basics, all right? So just do it. Number 3 is exercise. I think exercise is so important because it gets stress out of your system. It helps optimize so many positive youthful hormones. And you know what? When you look good, you feel good, and you do good. And I know that's not proper English and should be well, but you get the point. Now, most of us either don't exercise enough or at all, which is a big problem, or they exercise too much and that stresses their body even more. My suggestion, honestly, is very simple. 3 times a week, lift weights. No more than 45 minutes to a max 60 minutes. On the other days, right, 3 times a week, go for a fast walk outside in the sunshine. The sun is beautiful for you, for your immune system, and do so for about 20 to 40 minutes, like a brisk walk. On one day of the week, all right, take it off and go get a massage. This is my general guideline. If you follow it, I promise you will look and feel better. Now, number 4 is you want to take supplements. Now, I know the minute I tell someone to take supplements, some people just freak out. They think maybe I have a hidden agenda or I'm trying to make some money off of them. Or they think that they can't get everything they need from a healthy diet. They think that's all they need, a good diet. Listen, you can't. You never will. The foods, the soil, and everything else related is just depleted of so many nutrients. And unless you're going to be eating at least 5,000 or more calories from really healthy foods, you will need to take supplements. So please just stop arguing this point with me. So my favorite immune boosting supplements, and in no particular order, is first of all, vitamin D3. All right. Many important factors. That's why I tell people to get in the sun, take 2,000 to 5,000 units daily. We have vitamin C. I take a lot, 3,000 to 10,000 milligrams daily. IV is even better if you can do it. Vitamin K, which means vitamin K and MK7, 2,000 micrograms and 100 micrograms. Also, you want to take magnesium, such an important mineral. Take 500 to at least to 1,500 milligrams daily. Take most of it at night and some of it during the day. Fish oil, all right, very important. You also want to take probiotics and prebiotics. Now, probiotics are acidophilus, and then prebiotics, as most people don't take, something like inulin is very important. Then you want to take NAC, N-acetylcysteine, or you can take glutathione pills. I prefer NAC. It's cheaper, suggests 600 to 1,200 milligrams daily. You also want to take a zinc. Now, people don't realize zinc you need to take with copper, so they're balanced. 15 to 30 milligrams daily of zinc, plus 1 to 2 milligrams daily with the copper. Also selenium, most people are deficient in this, 200 to 400 micrograms daily. And finally, CoQ10. I know most people don't put this in there, but improving your mitochondria is what CoQ10 does. And mitochondria really controls so many aspects of your body, your health, your mind, and every cell in your body. So take at least 100 to 200 milligrams daily. Also bonus, I take glutamine powder. Now, if you exercise, I suggest you take glutamine powder. It's the most abundant amino acid in the muscle and also gets depleted when you're overly stressed. And it's also good for your gut, all right? This made a huge difference for me. I used to get sick a lot when I exercise. I don't anymore. I would take 3 to maybe 5 grams 2 to 3 times daily. It's just a simple powder. You mix in water, has no taste or smell. Now, I know there's other things, right? There's mushroom extract and echinacea and elderberry and garlic and astragalus and so forth, all right? But those might be best utilized when you get sick or you feel it coming, but not year round. While the supplements I've listed today can and should be utilized year round and have lots of other health benefits on top of it. In fact, I suggest people take these 10 supplements all the time. So there you have it. Staying healthy is the greatest gift you can give to yourself and family, and it starts with a strong immune system. If you found it helpful, great. Make sure you're subscribed if you aren't already and share the health with others so they can benefit as well. And let me know what topics you want me to cover in my videos. I have a special link below in the description area. You just click on it, goes directly to my private email box, all right? This helps me make the videos that you want to watch about the topics that you're most interested in. As always, thanks for listening and have a happy and healthy day.